If you feel behind, listen closely. There is no deadline for becoming yourself. You are not late, you are not broken, you are not failing, you are learning, you are shedding, you are still becoming. Some people bloom early, some bloom quietly, some bloom after surviving winters no one ever saw.
Take your time.
You are not running out of life. Every breath is progress, every day you stay is proof you're stronger than the moment that almost ended you. You are not finished. You are not forgotten. You are still writing this story, and that alone means it isn't over yet.